welcome to my YouTube channel Himanshi Mentor. Hello CTET aspirants, get ready for most important questions. Concept of development. Which of the following statement best distinguishes growth from development? A. Growth is quantitative while development is qualitative. B. Growth is only related to infancy while development continues throughout life. C. Growth involves learning while development involves physical change. D. Growth refers to cognitive change while development refers to emotional change. Answer A. Growth is quantitative while development is qualitative. Concept of development. Second, development in human beings occurs A. Up to end of adolescence. B. Up to end of childhood. C. Up to the starting of adulthood. D. Throughout life. Up to end of childhood. Number 4. Nature and nurture debate in child development refers to A. Environment and biology. B. Parents and peers. C. Genetics and environment. D. Physical and cognitive development. C. Genetics and environment. Question 5. The word pedagogy means to guide the child, to lead the child. C. To educate the child. D. To understand the child. To lead the child. 6. Which one of the following indicates child's physical growth? A. Negative. B. Quantitative. C. Qualitative. D. Positive. B. Quantitative. 7. The best method to study growth and development of the child is psychoanalytic method. B. Comparative method. C. Development method. D. Statistical method. C. Development method. 8. The use of technology to enhance learning process is called in education A. IT. B. ICT. C. Information technology. D. Communication technology. B. ICT. 9. Individual learns from his own mistakes. This statement is based on which learning theory? A. Instrumental conditioning. B. Insight. C. Trial and error. D. Classical conditioning. C. 9. Trial and error. 10. Which of the following statement is not true? A. Growth is a biological process. B. Development is a quantitative process. C. Education is a goal-oriented process. D. Learning is a process of behavioral change. B. Development is a quantitative process. Well, which of the following is not the tool for formative assessment in scholastic domain? A. Conversation skill. B. Multiple choice question. C. Projects. D. Oral questions. B. Multiple choice question. 13. According to John Dewey, schools must prepare students for research, future life, present life, entrepreneurship. C. Present life. 14. What type of evaluation identifies learning deficiencies and difficulties of the learners? Placement, summative, C. Continuous, D. Diagnostic. D. Diagnostic. 15. At the pre-primary stage, reading aloud while writing is given importance. This is based on which theory of learning? A. Trial and error. B. Conditioning. C. Insight. D. Imitation. B. Conditioning. 16. Psychology is A. Science of soul. B. Science of mind. C. Science of consciousness. D. Science of behavior. D. Science of behavior. 17. Which is not a factor of motivation? A. Prize. B. Incentive. C. Praise. D. Practice. D. Practice. 18. What is the stage from 2 to 6 years called? A. Pre-childhood. B. Infancy. C. Later childhood. D. Pre-adolescence. Pre-childhood. 19. According to Jean Piaget, children develop abstract logic and reasoning skill during A. Sensory motor stage. B. Pre-operational stage. C. Formal operational stage. D. Concrete operational stage. C. Formal operational stage. 20. According to Piaget theory of cognitive development, the concrete operational stage start at age A. 1, B. 3, C. 5, D. 7. D. 7. Thank you for watching my video.